Hey guys, Up here. Today we're checking out the TIP3 Keychain flashlight from Nitecore. Inside the box you get the light itself, a USB-C charging cable, user's guide, safety card, and a warranty card. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. It is Dark30 and we're outside. We have our light here on its ultra low mode, lighting up our cheat sheet real nice. You can kind of see a little bit out into the yard. Let's put this thing on to low, and that is a wide beam that I can see a little bit more out into the yard, kind of off of the pump house, but not that much. Let's go to medium. Now we can see the pump house there 50 feet away, all the way out into the yard, almost hitting those trees at the end of the grass. Let's go to high. There we go. Now I can see those trees at the end of the grass 100 feet away, and I'm starting to light up the end of the fence line down there. Let's go to turbo. Now I can see that end of the fence line 150 feet away, and I'm even starting to light up those trees across the road there 200 feet away. But look how wide this beam is. That's pretty impressive for how small this flashlight is. This is a keychain flashlight, so this is going to be perfect for looking for stuff in your vehicle, walking around the property at night, and this is on medium right now. I can walk around out here and not have to worry about stepping on something, knocking something over. We are going through a crazy windstorm right now, and all of my panels are still standing. That's because I got a lot of wood and cement blocks and stuff like that down here holding them down. With the last windstorm, these things were getting knocked all over the place. So that is what this light is for. Just a perfect little pocket light that puts out some real power when you need it to. Let's hit that turbo. Look at that. That lights it all up. Let's go into this shed here. But where this really shines is having an everyday carry in your pocket that can still light up an entire shed. Find the things that you need to. Check on the battery power of your batteries. Right now we are sitting at 46%. That is pretty good. This is just my mobile setup. There is absolutely no reason for me to be out here right now, but let's check out the big solar panel array. Just in case it was stormy and something broke and I needed to come in and check something, this light's going to be perfect. This is a keychain light, so obviously it's going to have a keychain with a little clippy here. We also have this clip here, which can be useful for like the brim of a cap, so you can use it as a modified headlamp. You can also take this off if you would like, and then just clip it back on. There are two positions for it, and you can flip it around and cover the buttons if you want, but you don't need to cover them because it does have a lockout mode. We'll show you that in a minute. We have two buttons on the top here. We have a power button and a mode button. To turn the light on, we're going to hit the power button, and we will get to ultra low, which is 1 lumen. If we click the mode button, we will go to low, 15 lumens, medium, which is 65 lumens, high, which is 220 lumens, and that's really bright. But if we hold down this button at any time, we will get to turbo. That is 720 lumens. That's some power from a small little keychain flashlight. Let go, we go back to high. This does have a memory function, so we can press the button again and get back to medium. Now this also has color functions. So if we hold down both buttons, we will cycle through warm, neutral, and cool. I like to keep it on cool. We also have a lockout function. So with light on, we're going to press and hold the power button. And now we are in lockout mode. So now I won't accidentally turn this thing on in my bag. But with this mode of lockout, I can still access turbo. To unlock it, we're going to press and hold both buttons. And now we are unlocked. This also has a full lockout mode. So with it on, we're going to press and hold this. Wait for it to go to lockout, keep the button down, and we'll get that second flash. Now, none of the buttons will work. To unlock it again, press and hold both buttons. If you ever forget how to unlock your light, right here on the side are instructions. Here are your battery level lights, and if it's ever flashing on the very first one down here, then that means you have 10% charge left or less. Put it on a charger. On the side here is the cover for the USB-C charging port. We're going to just pull that open. We can plug in a USB-C charging cable, and you can see that we have 3 bars and the 4th one is flashing. When it's done flashing, the light will be fully charged. Let's go through our questions here. Can it do a tail stand? No, because it's got the keychain stuff down here. Is it magnetic? Nope. Does it have instant access to turbo? Yes, just push that button from the off position. Instant access to turbo. Does it have a moonlight or ultra low mode? Yes, it does. Is it easy to carry? This thing is like 1 ounce, and it has a keychain. Pretty easy to carry. Also, pretty easy to lose for a week because I did that. This thing's tiny. Can you use it as a headlamp, and is it top heavy? You can use it as a modified headlamp, and with it only being 1 ounce, it is not top heavy at all. You don't even realize it's there. Does it have a removable battery? No. Can you turn it on in the dark? Okay, let's flip this thing around, close my eyes. I feel the clip back here, and the button's right here. So turn it on. Yep, okay. Lockout, does it have a lockout? Yes, it does. We turn on, hold that button down for a couple seconds, and we are in lockout. Push those again to get out. Ease of use, did I need the manual? No, it was really easy to use. I mean, there's just 2 buttons here. One looks like power button, one looks like mode button. Pretty simple to figure out. Strobe, does it have a strobe? I don't think so. I don't see it in there. Let's turn it on. Hold this a couple times. Nope, no strobe. Does it have beacon? No. Does it have SOS? No. Does it have a red light? No. Waterproof, it's only got an IP54 waterproof rating, which is weird because, I mean, it seems pretty tight, and this battery cover is so hard to get off. You have this little nub here. I don't know if you can even see it. That's how, there we go, right there. And the way that this is, you really have to, I don't know, trick it into opening. This is probably the most annoying part about this light, is getting this cover off. I know I'm going to end up just chewing this up with my fingernails and stuff over time. Oh, almost got it. There we go. So that's really hard to get off. 2 ways of charging. Nope, this only has the one right here. Can I use it while charging? Yes, but now I gotta undo this again. Put our charger in. It's charging, and there we go. So you can use it while it's charging. Last question is use case scenario. Why would I use this? Obviously it's a keychain light, so you can put it on a keychain. You could also hook this onto like a get home bag or something like that with the hook. You can take off the keychain if you really want to and just use it as a pocket light. It's very light, it's very small, you barely know it's in your pocket at all. If you need to, you can use it for a headlamp, so it's kind of convenient to just have around. For me, I'm going to give this to 7. He is my 7th favorite officer at work, and I haven't given him a flashlight yet. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.